Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you 10 accredited Jamb Cbt centers in Adamawa State. And in case you don't reside in Adamawa State, then check the description section of this video for the Jamb addresses or for the addresses of the accredited centers that are in your state of residence. If you are watching this video, you haven't subscribed to this channel, then you're missing out. Two things you gain once you hit the red subscribe button. One, you'll get tips and updates for your exams and tips that can help you score very high in your exam, be it mathematics and tips in other subjects alike, especially maths and English. As you watch this video, be sure to subscribe and also share this video with your friends. Enjoy watching.